Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 301 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Santee Color My Eyes matte eyeshadow stick that I got from ShopMissA. I have this in the shade 2, which looks like a navy blue shade, but this comes in 8 different shades, and I am really excited about the fact that this is a matte eyeshadow stick. I really love using eyeshadow sticks because I feel like they're just so easy to work with, and I've had a lot of success with eyeshadow sticks from ShopMissA. So let's see how this swatches. Yeah, so it is a really pretty midnight blue shade, and I do think that it has like a pretty matte finish. No sparkle or shine really, and let's see how much product we actually get. Okay, I mean, deceiving, but I'm sure that'll be able to last me for a while. This was only $1, and did I mention it's also cruelty free? So I want to start out by using this as an eyeliner. Wow, so that actually looks really pretty. It's such a thick, chubby stick that it's a pretty thick line, but I actually really like how it looks. I feel like this line with some other eyeshadow incorporated would look really nice and add that kind of dramatic flair to an eye look. I wonder how it looks as a lower lash liner. That was so easy to work with, and with both of these upper and lower lines, it shows up really nicely pigmented, but you can still really tell that it's that midnight blue shade. So if I just wanted to throw in some blue eyeliner and change it up a bit, I could definitely use this. And then for the fun of it, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my entire eyelid. I love how easy it is to just draw whatever shape you want with a chubby pencil, because you could just so easily create a cut crease just using the pencil. And this definitely shows up with a really nice pigment. I'm just going in with another layer to build up the color to its full potential. I'm loving the pigment of it, I'm loving the ease of application, and that it really does have a matte finish. So just all in all, what I was hoping and expecting for this product. It's beautiful pigment, a beautiful color. This comes in a lot of those neutral tones, so I would be really interested to try this out in other colors. I think that they would all look so nice together, but I could definitely use this in so many different eye looks, and that it's only $1, so that's just so nice. It's convenient, it's easy to use. I see no point in spending the high price points for eyeshadow sticks when this one is great in my opinion. Let's see if it smudges. Oof. Yeah, that's not good. So if I were to touch my eye, I'd need to be very careful. But I really do like this smoky eye effect that I was able to achieve from this just so quickly and easily. I feel like all I really need is just maybe like crease shade, blend it out a bit, but so quick and easy to use, so I love that. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite ways to use stick eyeshadows. I have a bunch of them in my collection now, and I feel like there are so many fun ways to use them because you can just get so precise, you can create really intricate looks because you can get detailed. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. So as I've been talking and I've left this on my eyelid, it definitely is starting to crease now. So I would need to go in with my eyeshadow primer, even a powder base before applying it, just because I have so many creases in my eyelid that it's something I need to prevent. And this cream-like formula is definitely creasing for me. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.